99% of people holding XRP right now are not aware of the current price action on the monthly scale. Guys, XRP looks more bullish than ever. Look at this. We are closing monthly candles at the highest level we have ever seen in XRP's entire history. We're closing monthly candles above the $2 region. That has actually never happened before. Yes, in 2018, the XRP price wicked higher, but we actually never closed monthly candles at such a high level, guys. So there's no reason to be bearish. I'm going to share my price targets with you in this quick video. I'm also going to focus on very important data points and the short-term price action. So yeah, stay tuned here for a minute or two and let me get straight into it. Also like the video if you appreciate this content. But guys, we are here on the monthly scale for XRP, and as I said, we are closing monthly candles at a very high level here. There's absolutely no reason to be bearish, and yet everyone is bearish. Retail interest is actually at the lowest point that we have seen in a very long time. Look at this, guys. This is XRP search interest on the Google Trends indicator for the past 12 months. And in December, retail interest was extremely high. In January, it was extremely high, but right now it died off completely. We are down 85% from the December highs, while XRP is in fact looking more bullish than ever on the monthly time frame. So guys, if I actually look at the line chart, so this cuts out all the noise, it focuses on the candlestick closes, and if you take a look here at this very nice double bottom, let me actually draw it out for you. So we have this very nice double bottom pattern here going on the monthly scale, and if we take a look at the price target, so if we take it very conservatively, this point all the way to the bottom side here, and let me also make this another color so that we can see the line, and if we project this trend line, let me actually make it like this. And if we project this trend line to the breakout point here for XRP from this double bottom formation, you can see the technical target around $25 to $30, somewhere in that vicinity. It of course depends on how you draw the trend line, but I think this is a pretty conservative way of doing it. And you can see that we are perfectly in line to go to this technical target here in the coming months, guys. So I'm extremely bullish on XRP. I don't see any reason to flip bearish right now. In the immediate short term, it's a slight different story. I mean, if we take a look at the liquidation heat map for XRP, then we can still see that almost all the liquidity here is from long positions around the $2 area. Yes, there is some tiny liquidity above the current price, but there is a cluster of long liquidity sitting around the $2 area. So if you're a short-term trader, be careful, guys. This is XRP on the daily chart. There is some liquidity here around that $2 zone, and it is possible for the price to wick down here to liquidate a lot of people before eventually a reversal. But yeah, that is the short term. Also in the short term, the fear and greed meter flashes greed 70 on the index, and whenever we see this, we need to be a little bit more cautious here in the immediate short term. And before we continue the video, guys, if you're looking for an exchange to trade or to buy XRP on or other altcoins, I can definitely recommend Phoenix or Weeks. My links are down below in the video description. Massive welcome bonuses on both of these exchanges. I use them myself. The fees are very attractive if you use my specific link, so I can definitely recommend that. And not only that, recently, as some of you might know, I started a new free trade signal group in collaboration with the Phoenix exchange, because I believe that the next 2 to 3 months in crypto are going to be life-changing, and I want to maximize my opportunity. And if you want to join me with that, then definitely join my free signal group, where I'm sharing my day trades, my scalp trades every day, my personal strategy, which you can literally copy. There's a community chat over there where you can talk to me or to the other members. I want to build a very strong community. If you're interested, check it out. The link is down below. It's completely for free. Now, let me continue here with the analysis. And as some of you already know, I'm tracking whale activity on my X page. And in the last 24 hours, a lot of XRP got deposited into the exchanges. We're seeing here $176.6 million worth of XRP got transferred to crypto.com. Massive inflow. Is a whale dumping or repositioning? That of course remains to be seen. And there's also another one, $47.2 million worth of XRP got transferred to Bitstamp. A whale moves XRP as price recovers. Is he selling the rally? So yeah, we're seeing a lot of inflows. Also, if we take a look at crypto quant, we can see that basically since the 6th of May, a lot of whales started to deposit a lot of XRP onto exchanges, and typically that leads to a lot of sell pressure. And that's also what we're noticing here in the short term for XRP, because in the past few days, each and every time our price rallies a little bit, the rally basically gets sold off immediately. And that is because a lot of whales are depositing their coins onto the exchanges. We also know that in the immediate short term, the market is slightly more greedy, and we know that a lot of liquidity is currently from long positions. So guys, be a little bit more careful in the immediate short term. Mid to long term, I'm extremely bullish on XRP. We are doing something very nice right now in the monthly time frame, and I think the next big pump is just a matter of time. So patience is the name of the game here. If you're not already following me over on my Instagram, which I reactivated, definitely do that, guys. The link is down below in the video description. I'm posting XRP updates over there, market updates, Q&A sessions, my personal lifestyle. So if you're interested, check it out. The link is down below. But this was it for this video today. If this was helpful, like it, and I see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye-bye.